another episode of Cooking with Cupcake. Today I'm going to show y'all my version of shrimp and grits. If you've been following us, you know that we did a little tour down of Louisiana where Hurricane Laura and Delta had come through. I think we only posted that on Instagram, but we started in Lake Charles, then we went down to Cameron and to Rutherford Beach, and then we circled around to Abbeville, Louisiana, and we stopped there and we ate at a place called Shucks, and I had shrimp and grits. So today I'm going to give you my version of those. So the first thing that I've done is I have about 3 cups of hot water, and I need to get that to a boil, and then I've heated my skillet, and I'm going to add a little olive oil to that and get the bell pepper going, okay? Okay, so I have about a half of a bell pepper, and it's sauteing in the skillet right now. This morning we had breakfast and we had some bacon, so I saved about 3 pieces of bacon, so I'm going to add that to my skillet and let that cook. Okay, like I said, I have about 3 cups of water boiling back here, and it's came to a boil. So I have a half a cup of grits, and I'm going to add that to the water and let that start cooking, okay? And you'll just have to keep an eye on it. Once it starts cooking, comes back to a boil, just lower the heat and let it simmer, and you can put the lid on it at that time. Okay guys, so the next thing I'm going to add is this butter. It is a garlic and herb flavored butter, so I'm just kind of trying to make a little sauce here to add my shrimp. So yeah, that seems like a lot of butter, but I like butter. Okay, so next I'm just adding just a little bit of salt, not much. I don't want to make it too salty. And while I'm doing it, I'm going to add a little bit to my grits, just so that they're already seasoned too whenever I add this. My next step is that to make a kind of a cream base, I'm going to add a little bit of sour cream, not much, probably about a teaspoon, tablespoon, somewhere in between there. Just trying to make that little creamy base, okay? Okay guys, so now I'm going to add my shrimp. These are jumbo shrimp. They're peeled, but I left the tail on because you'll see whenever I plate the food, I want to leave the tail on. Okay, so I'm going to add that to this little base that I started cooking. Okay guys, so to go with this, I'm doing a little naan bread, so all you gotta do is heat this up. The oven's been preheated to 350, and I'm just gonna warm it because we're almost ready. Okay, so the shrimp, the bacon, the bell peppers, and the cream sauce is all mixing together and just kind of slowly heating. The grits have come to a boil. They're thick now. So what I'm going to do to the grits is I'm going to add just a little bit of butter to the grits, because I like my grits creamy. So I add butter to them, and then I'm going to add about a half a cup of mozzarella cheese, okay? Just stir that into them grits. Okay, so the grits are ready. sauce is ready. Let me add a little pepper to the grits and just a little on the shrimp. Okay, that should be good. Let me give that a quick stir. Okay, y'all, look at this. Oh my gosh, this looks absolutely delicious. I'm gonna serve myself a little bit. Oh man, the grits are creamy. I can take that, taste that bacon in them. Let me get one of these shrimp. See if I can manage that. Oh, I'm dripping. Oh, that's so good, y'all. Oh my goodness, this was just so delicious. Such an easy meal to fix for your family, guys. Thank y'all for watching. If you haven't liked and subscribed to our channel, please do so. And once again, thank y'all. Are you still recording?